Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sam, the golfing chef, and today we're going to do a chili con carne, what I would say is with a twist. It's got one of my little twists on it, and this has been sent in by a girl called Nick. So Nick, I hope you enjoy it. So come on, come with me and let's see what we're going to do. So guys, what I like to do first is get my pan of water on for my rice on high heat, and if you can see, my little sous chef here today outfit. So then what you want to do next, get your nice pan on, you want to dash some nice olive oil. I like working with olive oil. Got the taste a bit more better, I think. Let that warm up. So then we've got 500 grams of nice minced meat that you'll put in first, get that browning off. Rest it up as you put it in. Just keep breaking it up. So you got that doing, you've got your pan of water on as well, so that brings up to the boil. Season your minced meat. Let it sort of pepper. Nice stir. And next what you want is 2 cloves of garlic grated. I put about 8 mushrooms in. I put mushrooms in my chili con carne. 1 white onion and 1 red onion, all diced. Nicely. Shut that in. Now my pan is boiling for the water. Get rid of. What you want? 1 cup of rice. What I like is a bit of sweet corn and peas with my rice. That's another bit of the old twister route. When you're cooking, you want to smell the flavours. So now I can smell the onions and peppers and garlic, all working nicely. Okay, what you want to do is 1 cube of veg stock and 1 oxo cube. Sprinkle all that in. Give that a mix in. Lay your rest on the go. You want to give it a bit of a stir. What you want to look for is the peppers being nice and soft in the onions, like they are. So then you want 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes and 1 tablespoon of paprika. If you have, use smoked paprika. If you haven't, just use normal. I'll just put normal in. Comment below what your favourite dishes are that you like to make at home or have out to eat in a restaurant. Then you want 2 nice cut up chillies, either seeded or de-seeded, your choice. But for the love of God, please make sure you wash your hands. Because you don't want to be touching your private bits or your eyes. Touch your private bits, you will be sorry. Right guys, the rice is ready, so I'm going to take that off now. But before I do that, I'm just going to add a couple of tins of tomatoes in. So by looking at it, we'll need another one. So that's 2 tins of tomatoes going in. Looks like that now. What you can do is you can cook it in the slow cooker if you've got one at home. So you can do it ready for go. Now I'm just going to add in some tomato puree, thicken up the sauce and give it a bit more of that redness look. And just as you do, finish that off. Again, season, salt and pepper. Give it another stir. Turn it down to simmer. So that's simmering now. We'll sort my rice out. So that's my rice done now. What you want to do is just give it a stir so all the water can come out of the rice. Leave it there to set for now. And this is looking okay. A bit more in. Just somewhere I like it. So now, this is the little twist bit. For me, my little twist is 40 grams of Cadbury's milky chocolate. You want to just sprinkle all that in your chilli. Just want 40 to 50 grams. I would recommend Cadbury's because you get that silky smell, silky and creamy taste. You mix that in to your chilli. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some plating up for my chilli. And that is your chili con carne with a twist. Right guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you like what you see, and I hope you like the twist. Comment below what you'd like to see next. I would like to see what you like cooking at home with your comments. Give us a subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, keep up to date. I do have a Facebook page as well, so I'll go on that. And that's it. It's bye from me and Billy for now. See you later. Bye. So that's your chili con carne all played up nicely. You can finish off with a bit of parsley, something to give it some greenery.